How many bottles are sitting in your cabinet right now? Vitamins, herbs, collagen, omega-3, or you named it. My friend, you've spent thousands building a supplement collection. But here's what no one told you. Your body can't use any of it if your cells aren't talking to each other first. Let me ask you something personal. When was the last time you felt like you? Not the version making excuses about travel, not the one avoiding activities you love doing. I'm talking about the real you. You know, that kind of body that moving freely and living fully. I'm Amanda now, and after 10 years in the wellness industry, working with clients across 10 plus countries, I discovered why nothing was working. Let me share with you about Abraham's story. He is 59 years old, technology company owner, manages employees, and he travels globally to meet suppliers face to face. But for the past 5 years, his knee was holding him back. Every day, he's walking through factories, standing in supplier meetings, traveling between countries, and his knee was screaming. Some mornings, it's bad that he need to cancel critical overseas supplier trips. Imagine that. Your business needs you. Your suppliers need to see you in person, and your own body is stopping you. He did everything right. He flew to another country for the best chiropractor, and he saw multiple specialists, and he spent over $8,000 on premium supplements, and he never missed a checkup. And the good thing is, he had the money. He had the best care, but nothing changed. And you know, his employees noticed. His wife watched him struggle. The surgery felt unavoidable. This is the reality. You're not lazy. You're not doing it wrong. Your body just can't use what you're giving it because the foundation is broken. Think of it like your handphone. You can have the best apps, but if there's no signal, nothing works. And you are aware of that. That's what's happening in your body. Your cells aren't communicating properly. I know what you're thinking. Especially if you're Malaysian, Singaporean, Chinese, you've seen and heard every MLM pitch, every miracle cure. You're smart to be skeptical. Abraham was too. But here's what changed everything. We talk about Redox signaling molecules, not another supplement for his 8,000 collection, and not another treatment. We talk about supporting his body's own cellular communication, the signal that tells cells to, number 1, defend, stay strong against daily damage. Number 2, repair, fix what's broken. And number 3, replace, renew what's worn out. Your body already makes these molecules, but after 20, production drops by 10% every decade. The breakthrough? ASEA Redox Water, the only consumable form of stabilized redox signaling molecules in the world. And Renew 28 Gel, the same technology applied topically. One is clinically proven for skin by 21% reduction in fine lines, 16% improved elasticity. And remember Abraham's story? He applied it to his knee area and noticed a difference in comfort within 15 to 20 minutes. Published studies, not a marketing hype. Abraham started drinking Redox every single day. He applied Renew 28 to his knee. And I can't make any medical claims here. But here's what happened. The surgery he thought was inevitable, he didn't need it. And he's traveling internationally again, meeting suppliers, walking through factories, leading his team with energy. And his wife told me he's moving differently. The confidence is back. And my friend, that's not motivation. That's cellular communication working again. And those 8,000 in supplements, they finally started working with his body because now the foundation was there. Why this is different? This is different because, number 1, science-backed, published in peer-reviewed journals. Number 2, works with your body, not adding more, fixing the foundation. And number 3, 30-day money-back guarantee because it works. And number 4, I'm not recruiting. I'm here to restore you and to support your wellness journey. And the good news is, it enhances everything you're already doing. It doesn't replace it. It makes it work properly. And here's what I'm offering. The Cellular Reset Blueprint that I created. The complete guide showing, number 1, why cellular communication is the missing piece. And number 2, Abraham Exact Protocol. And number 3, week by week, what to expect. And number 4, how this fits your current routine. But I personally coach every client, which means I can only work with 5 new clients this month. This isn't a marketing tactic. This is real because I dedicate personalized time to each person I work with. And I want you to do this now. Comment reset or send me a DM and you will get, number 1, the complete cellular reset blueprint for free. Number 2, access to my 30 minutes complimentary strategy call. Number 3, personalized protocol designed for your specific health goal. Abraham spent $8,000 and 5 years searching for answer. You don't have to because your body knows how to heal. It just needs the right signal. Are you ready to be one of the 5? Drop reset in the comments right now and let's start your journey back to confident and unrestricted living. I'm Amanda Nav, a CEO Global Business Partner and your cellular health guide and serving clients across 10 plus countries. Those supplements in your cabinet aren't useless. Your body just needs the foundation to use them properly. Let's build that foundation together. Talk to you soon, my friend.